Hi guys, for today's video nga is another day, is another challenge na naman sa hair ni client. Sa part nga pala na yan guys is mag-prepared muna tayo ng rebonding cream 1 with Superflex. At kung napapansin nyo nga guys is dinamihan ko talaga ng Superflex para may protection ang hair ni client. Sa rebonding application kung saan lang yung regrowth ni client is doon lang tayo mag-apply. Ang hair status pala ni client guys is 8 months past previous rebond, din damage yung last rebond niya. Challenge talaga yung hair ni client gawin guys. Kasi yung texture ng buhok niyang past previous rebond guys is parang closer to bunot na talaga. Kaya napaka-risky niya po i-rebond. Kaya sa application guys is ingatan natin na hindi masyadong mag-overlap sa past previous rebond ni client. Kasi kung mababad natin ng matagal ang past previous rebond ni client guys is maaari itong masunog ulit. Pagkatapos natin applyan ng rebonding cream 1 ang hair ni client is ibabad lang natin ng 45 minutes. After that guys is nag-proceed naman tayo sa Brazilian treatment. Then binabad ko lang siya ng 30 minutes. Sa part na to guys is nagbabad na tayo ng neutralizer para ma-fix na yung hair ni client. At ito naman ang hair ni client after natin ginawa. That's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching.